Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Melissa and I'm so happy you're here today. Today we're doing a spring date night look, and it is this look right here. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's just jump right into the video. Hey guys, okay, let's get started with this springtime date night look. For this look, I'm going to be, playing with my hair a lot. For this look, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette. Yep. Alright, guys, I'm going to use my blending brush, and I'm going to get my mind together. That's what I'm going to do. I promise you, for this tutorial, I will get it together. Hopefully. Okay, and then I'm going to take the shade Silk Cream and put it in the crease. Next, we're going to take the shade Butter, put that in the crease as well. Okay, and to deepen up the crease, I'm going to take Pooter. Next, I'm going to take the shade Roxanne on a small blending brush. I took a little too much. Okay, there we go. I'm going to take Roxanne on a small blending brush, and we're going to put that, we're going to do a halo eye, so we're going to put it, in the inner and outer and in the crease. Take my bigger blending brush and blend all this together. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape. Even though we're doing a halo eye, I want this to stand out because we are going on a date tonight and we want to look flawless, right? Right. Okay. So, I'm just going to put it in the middle. I'm not going to cut my crease or anything like that. This is just to help make it pop a little bit more, because I'm extra. Anyway, I'm going to take this small brush and I'm going, small flat brush, I'm going to wet it, and then I'm going to take the shade Sissy and I'll put that where we put the concealer. The complete look. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, now, I'm sorry guys. I told you I'm a little extra today, but it's okay. It's okay. Alright, I'm going to take the shade Buns now, and I'm going to blend this all together, and I'm going to make it, you know, the halo eye blend into it. That's basically all I'm doing. If you're a true subscriber, you know what I'm going to do next, right? Yep, I'm going to smoke it out. Alright, and I'm going to take the shade Mocha. You would think I would know these shades already, but okay, and for the brow bone, we're going to take the shade in Light and Light. That's what we're going to do. Okay, we're coming back to the eyes, guys, and for primer, I'm going to be using something different. You're shocked, right? I'm not using my go-to primer. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover RX primer, and I'm actually going to be using this small bottle that I got in a Nipsey bag, but I didn't want to show you guys. I wanted to show you guys the bigger picture. So, yeah, all you do is you just spray it on your face, and I rub it in because, like, I like to make sure it's, like, all over. Yeah. You get some on your eyes, don't worry. Because guess what? It's also a setting spray. Just thought I would kind of point that out to you guys, because yeah, I got some on my eye, but it's okay. Alright, now, I have not used this foundation in a while, but when I go out on a date night, I usually don't care if I wear, like, my 24-hour, and, I can't remember what video it was. Anyway, Usually on an everyday basis, I don't use my 24-hour or my matte and poreless foundation, only because they are extremely drying, and my skin is already as dry as the Sahara Desert. So I don't use these two on a daily basis, because if I use them on a daily basis, at the end of the day, they're going to be, my skin's going to be dry, and you'll see the dry patches and everything. But it is perfect for a date night because I won't have it on as long, and I will only have it on for literally a few hours, and then I'll be taking it off. So I go in between just depending on my mood. But we're going to be using my Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation. Next, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I don't care what day it is, I always use this. Coty Airspun powder. And we're going to set the whole face. Contour and bronze at the same time, because why not? Take my angled brush, and I'm going to take my Wet n Wild contouring palette. Oh my god. And I'm going to take the bronzing side and contour and bronze. For blush, I'm going to be using my Tarte Amazonian Clay blush. Highlight. 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 Told you guys I was going to get it together. I lied. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Afterglow, because I want to glow, baby, glow. Jump into the Jaclyn Hill palette again, and we are going to take the shades Butter, Pooter, and Buns. And put that on the lower lash line. Alright, take this, just a tiny bit of mocha, don't take a bunch, and smoke out the outer corner. Okay, and inner corner highlight, of course, we're going to take our smaller brush and wet it. And I'm going to take the shade Beam and put that in my inner corner. If y'all cannot tell, I am just in the mood to just beam. Okay. I promise y'all, I promise I'm chilled out. Anyway, so I am going to go off camera, do my mascara, my lashes, and when I come back, I will show you what color lips I use for date night. Okay guys, since we're keeping this a spring look, I'm going to use my Kylie Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Smile. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you follow my Twitter and my Instagram. I will have it linked down below. But it is Melissa Angela YT. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you guys want me to do a summer date night look, because you need a date night look for every season. I mean, come on now. Why you can't just go on a date one time a year. So let me know if you guys want that. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.